Right, got the roof out of the carport, which I want to put on here because I want to test out putting a bolt here. I actually want to epoxy the head to here, put a tube here and put another tube on this corner, and then the bolt will go in that way. All right, so it'll be joined all three, but I need that on there to be able to test it. Actually, it'll be this one, and also need to, there were some pipes, some bamboo things that were going to need to go on here and be epoxied down. Epoxy down because the end there will rest on them, and I couldn't put the pipes on here, the bamboo on here, until that was in place. So I had to assemble that and leave them out temporarily. So I'm trying to fit this on there, and I was just sort of looking around and going, how the hell did I manage to not only masking tape over some of these pads, I managed to epoxy, Kevlar epoxy over them as well. So I had to dig that one out. I found another one here that I'm currently yeah, it's under here. And yeah, there's another one here that I completely covered over, and that's not all. I mean, I spotted this one, duh. There's not another one underneath there, but I mean, for goodness sake. Looks like I didn't do this one, didn't cover over that one. Unfortunately, that one points to, where does that pad lead to? Up to about here, I think. Ah, it's this one, this here. That's okay, that's all right, that's good. Ah, phew. I think, yeah, I've got to dig them all out. I think, but yes, I should then be able to put in I'll put a bolt across there. So, oh, goodness me.